Think you're fast at math? Let's test your skills with this 5-digit subtraction. It looks easy, but don't rush. Try to solve it before I do. Ready? Let's go. Let's solve it step by step. Start from the right. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. No borrowing needed here. Final answer, 11,333. Let's solve this step by step. Start from the right. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, 2 minus 5. We can't do that. So we borrow 1 from the next digit. That makes it 12 minus 5, which is 7. Now we have 6 minus 4. That's 2. Next, 2 minus 8. Again, we borrow 1. So it becomes 12 minus 8 equals 4. Finally, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 24,272. Let's solve the hard one. Start from the right. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now 0 minus 5. We can't. So we borrow from the next digit. But there's a problem. The next digit is also 0. So we go further left and borrow from the 4. That turns the zeros into 9s. Now we have 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next, 9 minus 3 equals 6. Finally, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the answer is 16,556. Which level did you find the hardest? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.